Today on Good to Go Garage, you'll be staring at my rear end the whole time. Ain't she a beauty? Planned on lowering it because there's way too much room there and way too much room there. For a while now, my 91 GMC 1500's been giving me problems, mostly because of this, and if you can see it, that the transmission shot in it and the rear end ain't far behind. I'm here with my three favorite tools. That's the electric impact, the good old Sawzall, and raw power. Now let's get started. Got a couple things to take off. I just want to show y'all how I do a seal. Most people use a lot of different ways, but grab me a piece of board, just get it to sit in there, mostly get flat like that. Plywood, done. Just want to say, when I bought this Harbor Freight cherry picker or engine lift, she had one hole right there, because we live our life in the danger zone. We put one about that far from the edge because it's not worth shit until you do that. Danger zone. Here, I'll show you. Boom. Living life in the danger zone. Safety third. We all know that. Time and money's first. Safety's third. Well, here she is in all her glory. Pretty basic. As soon as I fill the rear end up with gear oil, I'm gonna start on my next step of this, which is frame notches. Got this creeper at my local Home Depot. Came with a hot water heater. Well, what I'm gonna do first is hit the ends of those U-bolts with a wire brush. See if we can't get them off there a bit easier. I'm gonna give you guys the above view. From right there. I don't know, maybe right there. There you go. Be right back. Last one stuck. Wash is stuck to the U-bolt. There we go. Breaky. Little van. Ciao. Gosh. This is where it belongs. They're good enough to reuse, right? Because we gonna. Look at all this. Disgusting. Disgusting. All right. For the 300 billionth time, here we are. A day, 2 trillion something, because I never get any spare time to myself to make videos. We got our notch in, got our shock relocators in. Ready to get started on side 2. Here we go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, she low. I want to get her out on the road so you can get a better view here in a minute, but I still gotta do a front end alignment on it and some little tiny things, some little micro things. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I was gonna show you how I lowered the front end, which basically I cut the springs. I think everybody knows how to do that by now, but I lost the media, so I'll just tell you, I cut 1.5 spirals off the spring. These springs on this particular truck, I have found that on the half tons, you just pop the ball joint, pop the tie rod in, and they fall out. You just push down on the lower A-arm, they fall right out. So then you just cut a curl and a half off of it, shove it back in there, boom, Bob's your uncle. That's for you Canadians. Anyway, so I got all that done, but I still want to put lowered drop spindles and lowering springs in it. So while I'm waiting on that, I figured I'd ride it like this. So there you are. That's my explanation, and I apologize fully as a red-blooded American. So sorry. Well, here it is. Got it lowered. Still working on the stance a little bit. It's about a 1/4 inch off in one corner, but I'll fire it up so you can hear it. I'll put you back here so you can see. Sounds like a V8. It's just a 4.3.